How to post a picture just from your Facebook account or on your Facebook account right now. Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply schedule a post for your Facebook page if you want to upload anything. So how you can simply schedule it for upcoming days or project. Now for this, you just have to make sure that you have updated the Facebook version. And if you have done it, simply click on the Facebook app just like this, and on the Facebook you're going to see a lot of options, but you have to choose upload a picture, and then from this menu you can simply select the photo you want to upload to your Facebook page or your Facebook account. Now suppose this is the picture that I want to simply upload it or post on my profile. Now I will click on the next after choosing the photo, but there is a third option called scheduling options. Click on this and then click on schedule for later. Here you can simply choose a date and also the time, then your post will be public on your account. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.